Alright guys, what is going on? We got a 61 Cadi in that we're going to be freshening up the air ride, courtesy of Level Ride, and then we're going to do a rear disc brake conversion on the rear. So we're going to watch Justin Jr. tackle that right now. Alright guys, we got both of the rear brakes swapped out with rotors. Junior's throwing on the last caliper. And after this, it's on to freshening up the air ride. Alright guys, Justin has the last front bag on. Now all that's left is the Level Ride sensors, and then we'll start doing lines. Junior still got to finish up the tank assembly, but we're looking good so far. Alright guys, what's up? It is Friday morning. They got the tank management and compressor assembly almost all wrapped up. We'll be throwing it in the car and hopefully be testing the whole system by the end of the day. Alright guys, as you can see now, they got the tank, the compressor, and the air management system all bolted in place. So now we're going to start messing with the bags and playing with the levels. Alright guys, we got everything on and working. Now we're just messing with the app so we can have full control over the system, and then we're going to start calibrating. This thing should be on the ground here very soon. Alright guys, we got everything calibrated. The system's all functioning properly. As you can see, the whole system is controlled by an app, so it really is this easy. You want it to air out? Just like that. And if you want it to lift, all you gotta do is hit that right high button. The whole car will come up. Alright guys, she's sitting at ride height now. So if you're looking for some really good air management system, check out Level Ride. They have some awesome stuff. Super easy to install and work. And yeah, we'll start dialing everything in and it will be done.